Okay, today we're moving on to our second exponent rule. And the exponent rules aren't too difficult to do. The hard part comes in keeping them separate and knowing the difference. So what we learned last week was problems like 3 to the 4th times 3 cubed. And you could add your exponents to get 3 to the 7th. This problem is not the same thing. This is when we have an exponent taken to another exponent, a power of a power. So this would be inside our parentheses is 4 3's. And then this is telling us we need 3 of those groups. So then total, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 3's. So the shortcut for that would be to multiply 4 and 3 together. Okay, so when you have a power to a power, that's where you multiply your exponents. When you were multiplying two powers, that's when you add your exponents. These are two different types of problems. So you have to be able to tell the difference when doing them. Okay, here we have 3 and 5. So we would take 3 times 5. So that'd be 4 to the 15th. Here we have 2 and 4. So we would take 2 times 4 is y to the 8th power. Okay, and if you ever forget the rule, you can always expand it out. So here I could have my y squared, and then I need 4 groups of that, and I could count them. That will always work. The rules are just shortcuts so that you don't have to do that, okay? But let's say on a quiz you forget what the rule is. Expand it out so you can get the right answer. Okay, it's better to be right and take a little bit longer than to use the wrong shortcut. Okay. Here, these are a little bit harder because you're going to have to distribute. So the distributive property, remember, means that you take that cube to both things on the inside. So you'd have 2 cubed and x cubed. So 2 to the 3rd power is 8. So you have 8x cubed. Okay, here you have to take everything to the 2nd power. So you have 3 squared, x squared, and y squared. 3 squared is 9, so you have 9x squared, y squared. Okay, we do want you to simplify the numbers to an exponent because those can be simplified further, but variables can't, so you leave those alone. Okay, so here we go again. You have 6 cubed, and you have x cubed cubed again. So that's where you would multiply 3 and 3 together. 6 cubed, or 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Here we have -2 cubed. And v to the 5th power cubed would be 5 times 3. So -2 times 3, -2 times -2 is 4, times -2 again is -8, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so that would be your final answer. But on these, a very common mistake is that people will forget to distribute. So we do like it when you draw in your arrows to remind yourself to do that. It's part of showing your work. All right, so at this point, you need to raise your hand and show me your notes to get your assignment.